In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively adjust and lock your camera view in Blender. Whether you're new to the software or just looking to refine your skills, this tutorial will help you set up your camera effortlessly. To get started, you'll want to go to your viewport. Once there, press the N key on your keyboard. This action will open up a sidebar on the right side of your screen where you can find various tools and settings to enhance your modeling experience. It can be a little overwhelming at first with all the options, but for now, we're focusing on camera settings. In the sidebar, locate the View tab. This is where you'll find several options related to how you view and navigate your workspace in Blender. Once you find it, give it a click. Inside this tab, you will see a box labeled Lock Camera to View. This is a crucial component for our task today. By checking this box, you allow the camera to lock into whatever view you're currently looking at in your viewport. It's a handy function that empowers you to accurately frame your shots just the way you envision them. With the Lock Camera to View box checked, the next thing you'll need to do is press the numpad 0. This action switches your view to your active camera view. It's like peering through the lens of a real camera, giving you a perfect preview of what your final render might look like. Now that you're in camera view, you can use your mouse to orbit, pan, and zoom, effectively allowing you to position your camera exactly where you desire. This is where your creativity can really shine. Let your intuition guide you in framing the perfect shot or rendering. Feeling uncertain about your positioning? Don't worry, you can easily adjust and readjust until everything aligns perfectly with your vision. Once you have positioned the camera to your liking and are satisfied with how everything looks, go ahead and press the numpad 0 again. This will exit the camera view, taking you back to your regular 3D viewport. Your camera's position and angle remain unchanged, locked precisely to the view you meticulously crafted. And that's it. You've now successfully learned how to lock your camera to your view in Blender. This simple yet powerful technique can drastically improve your workflow and give your projects a polished professional appearance. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever you need to. Thank you for tuning in, and happy designing.